Hey, good Monday morning, everybody. It's meteorologist Brad Panovich getting ready for the big holiday week. I thought I'd do a vlog this morning about some of the travel issues we could see across the country because locally it's actually not going to be that bad. We're actually going to have pretty nice weather, even though there is a small chance of rain as we go into Wednesday. Here's a look at the temperatures across the country right now. Pretty typical day today. We started around 31 this morning. We'll climb up close to 60, mostly sunny skies. So today and Tuesday, absolutely beautiful. It's Wednesday where we start to notice things getting a little bit hairy across the country. I'm going to turn off the temperatures here just to show you this storm system which is developing out here in the western part of the country, and that's the area we're watching. So let me show you the surface map. This is today's map. You can see the system developing here out in the Rockies. Very large storm system. Going to have a huge impact. Lots of wind, snow, rain out west. This thing's going to move up like this and eventually be a big issue. So if you're traveling in this part of the country, you're going to have some issues. The forecast map tomorrow shows that storm system taking shape across the plains and the Rockies and then moving up into the upper Midwest. And then here's the map for Wednesday. This is the big travel day. So if you're traveling on Wednesday by vehicle in the southeast, there's definitely going to be some showers, especially early in the day. But this is going to be the big problems. Up in this area, some pretty heavy snow, wind, and rain, and some trailing snow back here. So you can get an idea on some of the impacts we're going to see. So let me get right to the forecast here. We're going to keep it nice and wide here so you guys can see this forecast into motion. This is starting right now this morning. We'll go through time and get into this afternoon and this evening. You could see our storm system developing here across the Rockies and the rain picking up across Texas. We'll go through tonight and go into tomorrow morning. Here's our storm system. Going to be a big kind of blizzard snowstorm here just on the northeast side of Denver, northern Colorado, southern Wyoming, western Nebraska and Kansas, and South Dakota, excuse me, and even a small section of western Kansas, probably the higher plains area there where we're going to get a little bit of mix. And you can see as we go through the day tomorrow, this is when things are going to get nasty. Some pretty rough weather there, rain across the mid-south. We'll go through tomorrow night and we'll start heading towards the morning hours on Wednesday. So this is 2:30 a.m. on Wednesday morning. You can see our developing system, big time issues here, rain here, and this trailing cold front, which will be pushing to the east. So we'll go through time here. Let me see if I can get this to erase here. There we go. Got to get out of that telestrator. We'll go through time and early on Wednesday morning. So this is Wednesday about 7 a.m. Notice the snowstorm going on in the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes. For our part, just some rain around here on Wednesday morning. So we'll have some showers around that will be impacting the Charlotte area and the Carolinas. So if you're traveling by car, definitely going to see some rain. And then there's the front. It starts falling apart a little bit. The cold front itself is probably going to be right about in here. So once the front clears, it'll be warm ahead of it. Pretty chilly on the backside as that cold air moves in. So just be ready for that. Certainly going to see some colder air for Thanksgiving. And we'll go through time, and this is going into Wednesday night. And then things kind of calm down, but still kind of a mess here in the Northeast. And let me go back to the surface map here, because what I want to show you is the experimental, what we call winter weather impact tool. So this is kind of show you in the next 3 days where these impacts are going to be the heaviest. And again, it's basically from today through Wednesday across areas of Colorado, extreme impacts, likely blizzard-like conditions from Denver into the high plains here of eastern Colorado, and then heading into parts of Nebraska. You're in the major to moderate impacts, and then all the way up through Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin into the Great Lakes. So this area right in here, definitely over the next couple of days, likely going to see some significant impacts. So if you're traveling there anytime in the next 3 days, you're going to have some issues going up in that direction. So let me show you our 7-day forecast real quickly if you missed it, or 10-day forecast if you missed it last night. I expect a high today of about 60, about 64 on Tuesday. Wednesday, just some morning showers clearing out for Thursday and Friday, with another chance of rain coming in for the weekend. Of course, I'll have updates starting today at 4, 5, and 6 on NBC Charlotte, and I'll post any updates if things should change as we get across the next couple of days. Have a great holiday week and safe travels if you're already traveling.